Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? We want to continue now Unit 4, Global 8, Unit 4, the last lesson, Lesson 3 now. Our lesson, should we continue to explore space? Now explore space. What does this mean? When you want to explore something, it means that you want to find what is it, what about it, information, life, about plants, about if they have gases and other things. This means to explore space. When did they start exploring space? They started exploring space, America and Russia, during the 50s and the 60s of the 20th century. They started exploring the space during that, and there was the Cold War between America and Russia. Both of them started sending satellites or space shuttles to the moon or to other planets to explore the space. They started, I think in 1967, America sent the first exploration space to the moon, and the space shuttle landed on the moon, and a man walked on the moon in 1968. His name was Neil Armstrong, and he was the first man landed on the moon by space shuttle, which was sent from America to the moon in 1967. That was very important date, because they start from that date till now. They started sending many space shuttles to the moon. What can you see here now? Okay, let's see now here now. I think we should find out more about the planets in our solar system. I don't think we'll ever live on another planet. It's interesting to know that they like though. First of all, down here, do we have life on other planets? This is a question that we should ask for ourselves. If there's a life, it means there are same planets as our planet, the Earth. Here now, according to the information that we have, there is no life on other planets, because none of the planets is like our planet, because it doesn't have gravity. They don't have a gravity like our planet. They don't have atmosphere which protects the sun, protects our planet from the rays of the sun, and about oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, all of these components compose the life of the people, and it protects them from other gases. So there is oxygen in our planet, but on other planets there is no oxygen. There is no water also, but there are some ice water or ice rivers on some of the planets. So here now, it means that it's very important to know about solar system. What's the solar system here? Solar system means that the planets which circle the sun, our sun. And our solar system, it is in the Milky Galaxy. Milky Galaxy has thousands of our solar system. Now in our solar system, we have 8 planets which circle around the sun. And our planet is the third one. The Earth is the third one, which is the nearest. It's not the nearest. It's number 3 in our solar system. Okay. Here now we use Look here now, you can use though to mean however. It's interesting to know what they are like though. It means here however. It means however. I'm sure very large space stations will be built in the future. And this is a space station. This is a space station that people could use to live in during the coming days in the space. And they want now to make trips to the space by paying amount of money just for rich people. This is, for example, it costs about 1 million US dollar. Space stations will be built in the future. They'll be big enough for thousands of people to live on. For example, it could take 10,000 people, no more than that. But the life shouldn't be or couldn't be as it is in our planet, the Earth. There are a lot of differences between solar station, between space stations and the life on the Earth. There'll be enough for thousands of people to live on, which will be a good thing because so there will be too many people for the Earth. Space stations could help us to explore other planets as well to see if we could live there. You can use as well to mean the same as also or to. So here now we can use also to see if we could live there. What is the point of spending so much money on a space exploration? It means here now, someone agrees and someone is against. Someone is against exploration the space. Why? Because we are spending a lot of money in that matter. So they could use it on the Earth or in our planet to have many things, many good things for the people who live in our planet. So much money on space exploration, it should be spent on solving problems on this planet. As we sit here now, we should use this money that we use to explore the space. For example, if you want to build this one, $10 billion, why don't we spend this amount of money on our planets to help poor countries, poor people, and someone or ones who are in need. So here now, it's very important to solve our problems before exploring the space. That's for today. Thank you very much and see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.